welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the Nasdaq futures market using the Hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session, you want to learn this system, grab my Hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show. Yo, good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Let me know in the chats. We good on sound. We good on sound. You guys can hear me live on YouTube as well. Good morning. Happy Monday. There we go. Excellent. Good on sound. Loud and clear. Excellent. Excellent. Got people in the waiting room. Let them in. Alrighty. What up, George? What's up, Jazzy J? Christine, Carl. What's up, Sharif? We are in a little stalemate here. Hit up. We did all-time highs overnight, or whenever that was. I guess that was this morning, around 2. I'm on the 15-minute chart. I'm like, why does this look like this? All right. What's up, Paula? What's up, YouTube? What's up, Bryant? Okay. Blue on the 1, red on the 3, stalemate on the 5. Took out all-time highs. What else do I need to adjust here? Can delete some of these lines. Actually, I'm gonna put that one back. Delete this one. That one. And take that one there. Okay. Check the news. I believe today was the day. Yeah, we only got yellow folders today. We have a yellow folder at 9:45. It's actually the last day of the month. June is almost done. July, here we come. What the heck just happened here? There we go. All right. Market's about to open up here. What up, Che? All right, this 9:15 candle just closed bearish on the 15. We are in a stalemate, so we're gonna be waiting. Market is open. Trying to push the 1 to red. What's this? Oh, I got 2 on here. That's why it's looking like that. There we go. Got London lows. Big push off of 850 area at the moment.
The 5-minute has blue support, blue trend, red volume. We're right here at the what was the all-time high, 871.25. That was the highest point. So we're playing around here. We've been playing around here ever since we took it out, which was during Asia. Keeps getting pulled back. Keeps getting pulled back to the area. A lot of conversations happening at that all-time high level. Alrighty. Still got 240 left in this 5-minute candle, but we're dumping right now. We got 2 minutes left in this 5-minute stick. The 3-minute just closed. Looks like we'll be fine to flip this thing. But if we're waiting on the 5, it'll be a minute and 45 left. Be probably looking at 850 for an entry. Try to get 850 for an entry. I deleted that one. I'm gonna go ahead and set up 850 for a sale limit. Oops. That 5-minute closes in 17 seconds, so I got 850 set up for a sale limit. The little news that we do have is in 10 minutes, 9:45 yellow folder. What's up, Jay? All right, we're pulling back up. Looking for 850 for the entry. How was everybody's weekend? Wimbledon is on already. First round? Oh, date. Sheesh. Busy. Actually great. Excellent. What made it so great, Jimmy P? Busy here. Very good. Summertime. Well, yeah, hopefully all that turns out okay, George. Really? I wasn't that close, but all right, see what we do down here at this bottom. Okay, we're responding bullish off of 825, pushing us back up towards 850. Never mind. What up, Wale? Let's see what we do here at 825. We didn't close below it. Wasn't really a significant low. We went to a drive-in movie theater. That was the first time I ever did that. It was pretty cool. We went to see How to Train Your Dragon. Took all the kids. They really were into it. They really wanted to see that movie. Then they all fell asleep in the trunk. Cause you gotta wait till 9:30. Cause it has to be dark. So yeah, they enjoyed what they did see. It was a good movie though. We enjoyed it. We were up the whole time. We were up the whole time. Yes, the kids were in the trunk. That's not as bad as it sounds. It's in the trunk of an SUV. You never been to a drive-in movie theater? Most people sit in their trunks. Let's say we're trying to get this lower low in here. All right, we might be looking at 800 here. 45 seconds left in this 3-minute candle. All right, new 15-minute candle just opened up, and we have a little yellow folder going on right now. Let's see if we make our way back up here to 850. Or if we roll down to 800. It's the same trunk. It's just the trunk of a truck, trunk of an SUV. So it's, you know, it's not like a trunk of a car. And we didn't close the trunk. It'd be different if I said we put them in the trunk and closed it. Kept the trunk open. They weren't that bad that day. If we can go lower low here, get below 800. It is starting to slow down in this spot though, where it could come back up and give us an entry to go lower, or start to continue on that. There, we're getting a little push down. Continue back to the upside there. So there we go. Getting a little push down. That was a bearish engulfing candle. Let's see if that can continue. We have full 3-minute candle just opened up here. I don't really have any bearish targets. I mean, the current low, 750. Yeah, the current low where we opened up today was 750. So past that, your actual daily low, your daily target, you have to have a limit at 850. We haven't closed below 800, so I'm not going to change my limit at 850. 600, so it's a reach. I would say 750 or somewhere around 750 would probably be the lowest it wants to go, unless it really does dump, and we'll see. It is coming off all-time highs, so minute and a half left in this 3-minute stick. We are hovering just above 800. Just wicked 800. Minute 10 and we are below. Yeah, we just did it in the actual movie theater. They actually had buildings when we started going to movies. You got me curious now. When was the first drive-in movie theater? Oh, that was a long time ago. George, sheesh, you're old. 1933. I'm about to miss my entry messing with y'all. All right, I'm about to take 800. Come on up there. All right, I'm in. I got 803. See if we can ride this down to 750. That was a close close, but it did close. Oh, I thought that's what I read. I thought that's what I read. Sorry. I thought you said you made out in the very first drive-in theater ever created. see. We just tapped into a 15-minute bullish imbalance. Responding strongly off 800. Gotta go from here. Just put in another bullish and go bullish imbalance. We got to break through this area. So far we held the highest point I would like to see it go, but now we got a lot more work to do. A lot more work to do. About to be the top of the hour here soon. Where was it? It was in the theater was in it opened June 6, 1933. It was in New Jersey. It's called the Camden Drive-In. I just got taken out on that. Oh, no, I didn't. I assumed I did. I did not yet. I forgot I got in at 8:03. But I still counted. It's probably going to take me out. I'm still in it. Still in it, but it's putting in bullish price action right now. So it's probably going to take me out. We might be looking at 850, which was our original entry we wanted. So I'm about to set 850 back up. Time is it? New candles coming in 3 minutes. About to be the top of the hour. It's not going anywhere yet. All right, this 15-minute count is about to close bullish. New hours coming out now. See if we get pushed up to 850. Oh, we still got 40 seconds left in this candle. Sorry. Still 15 minutes closing bullish. 40 seconds left. I do have 850 set, yes. I do have 850 set. All right, now it's 10 o'clock. Let's see if this 15 can pull us up to 850 for a touch. All right, coming up. All right, we are moving towards that direction. Sell limit set for 850. It was also London's low. I think we did have a, yeah, we had a YOLO photo at 10 o'clock as well. Speaker was speaking. The rest of the week we're good to go except for Friday. Friday's a holiday. We are live Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Not live on Friday. Market will be closed. A lot of news tomorrow during session. And we got a orange folder. I mean, a red folder on Thursday during session. We're just hanging out, just floating around 825. Yeah, sell limit set at 850. Bye, bud. Come here. We're trying to make our way up there. Safe travels to you, Christine. There and back. Pretty bullish monthly candle here of June. And May. Slowly climbing, putting in higher lows, higher highs. Get up here and we want to see it start to put in lower lows and just fall. All right, 850 set sell limit. We're at 840. Should hopefully get in this trade soon. I'll be right back.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. Night for your love that keeps me high. Keeps me high. Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high. Keeps me high.
All right, we are in. Yes, in on there. In on there. Okay, we're in. All right, let's see. We gotta get through. That was actually a pretty good reaction off of there. Gotta get through these imbalances. Get back below the J4. Put in some bullish structure. Nearest lows are right here. New 15-minute candle just opened up. Last one was bullish. Hit the middle of this imbalance off the open. London low. See if we can roll back down. $8.50 at the 1 minute HGL. Yep. 3 minute imbalance, 3 minute J4, 5 minute imbalance, 8.50. Old super trend level where it broke. Stay below there as well. It looks good. Only thing I don't like is the volume on the one. And I don't want to see this closing below. I'm not calling this a clothesline, but I don't want to see this closing above that level right there. Because if it does, then it's just putting in another higher high. That's a high. That's another higher high. So we don't want that. We want this. We want this to keep going. All right, I'm going break even. Oops, I got rid of my chat. I'm break even on this trade, guys. We hit 25 points. See if we can push through. We don't want to see this again. Anything in this area, which it has been doing, use that support. We need this to close below here. And if it bounces off of here, support, and then goes and takes that, it's going higher high. Going higher high. So we need this to just continue this push down. There, like that. Keep going. That's 25 points right there. Let's come check out some of these lows. Got relatively equal lows. Yeah, relatively equal lows right here. Go put on a lower low. That'll take us to TP at 800. That, I don't like that. Don't like that bounce. The only good thing about this low is that it put in a low for us to target to break structure if it responds off of this imbalance right here. J4 imbalance. Responds off of this imbalance and takes this low. Structure is broken back down to the downside, and this should continue to fall. That was good. Need this candle to be bearish, not bullish. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Keep going. Take out this low. There you go. Come on, take out this low. Once it takes this low, I'm gonna lock 10 points in on this. Bearish engulfing, that's perfect. Bullish engulfing into this imbalance, stay below the 50% of it, and then it violated immediately off of another tap into that imbalance. So this is great. Keep pushing down, taking out this low, taking out this low and this low. Now we got to get through here. Get through there. We should hit our 800 TP. I would like to see it close that imbalance and stay, get that a similar reaction. This is the new high. As long as it stays above below that, we're good. So I got 10 points locked in on this trade at 840. My TP is at 840 right now. We shouldn't be coming back up there based off the structure. Good continuation on that bearish engulfing candle. I don't like the reaction here. We need to get through there. The highest I want to see this go would be the 25-point mark. Yeah, do that. Bearish engulfing right here would be nice. Straight through. Burn it up. All right, that's the highest I want to see it go. Respect that imbalance. Respect that 25 level. And give your next lower low. Got our new low. New low right here. There's 25 touch. Bearish engulfing here. 3 L's. Let's go. Any thoughts on trailing or taking the 25? I don't know. I'll probably just take the TP. I like it coming down to 750. I just think that it's I just think it's gonna be stubborn about it if it does, and if it doesn't, we're gonna see it roll back up. So I'd rather just take the 50 points today, which would be a net 25, and be okay with that, just because it's been so choppy. It's been slow. Hasn't been smooth. I do like 750. I like that we got in at 850. But I mean, we're struggling right now. I mean, we're good on structure still. As long as we don't get above 840, we're fine. But the highest I would like to see this go is right now 825. I want to see it respond again off of here. It gave a bearish engulfing candle, but it didn't continue, so now we're back up here. So yeah, I don't have the feeling to trail at the moment. If we can start getting through with volume, then yeah. I think what I'll do is I'll move my TP down right now just in case, and then if I don't like it, I'll just close it. I got 10 points locked in on this right now, so, and I want to stay below this level. Yeah, this is good. The rejection off here is good. We just need more power. Just keep giving the market opportunities to put bearish engulfing candles in, though. We're about to have a new 15-minute candle in a couple minutes here. And yeah. That might close bearish engulfing on the 15. Yeah, maybe hold for a little bit. Maybe. We'll see. Now we closed above that area. And heading back up towards these highs. Gotta stay below here. Stay below here, we're good. I'm out with 10 points on that. There's a strong bullish close to that 15-minute candle. It did close bearish, but we're still in this overall leg. But I mean, next entry for me would have to be a close above 850 and return back, or a pull all the way down to 800. So Well, it was a nice drop off of 850. It just didn't have the legs to get all the way down there. It did exactly what we needed it to do to shift the structure. It just didn't hold at that moment. This is the current landscape. You have these highs right here. This failure to go lower. This is the lower low. And then you had another high here, got broken. You have another high here. So this is your extreme high and extreme low. Internal high, internal low. This is where it failed to go lower, so that's significant. That broke that. That broke that high. Gives you a little change of character. Broke that high. Now we might be putting in, if this goes higher here, these would be lows. Higher high back into 850. Maybe tap into deeper imbalances on the 3 or the 5, but we might lose the 1 if it does all that. Because there is more to possibly tap into and still go lower here. But what time is it? 10:33. Seems like we had an initial push and then just a sideways consolidation. If you're still in this trade, I would probably TP at 25 points if you're still in this trade. Take the BE almost in profit win here. No, I wasn't. We're inside of the bearish engulfing that got violated up. This was the failure to go lower. We're inside of that. That if this reacts bullish from here, this is gonna go back up. Attack this high, and then maybe it goes from there. I don't think we're gonna have alignment or time. And now if we go take these lows, then we're good. We're back. Maybe we get something towards the end of the hour, 800. But For me personally, I moved my stop loss to 840 and I got taken out there, or my break even at 840. So I'm down 15 points. I'm open if it's a sale to 800, but if I start seeing this thing buying up from here, we're not going to get another move. If it takes this low, that's different. But if it buys up from here, we're not going to get anything. Not before 11 o'clock. Let me know if you guys have any questions on anything. Oh yeah, if you're in this, take your 25. This could hold the market down. And the J4, it just wicked into that, so it could go bearish from here, which then we'll just look to enter, and hopefully we have the volume to actually push through here. Let's see how this 15-minute candle looks in 7 minutes. It's kind of like acting like it wants to go now. Okay, we're taking this. Well, let's see. Might close below. Yeah, it looks like we're taking this low. Back in this same area. Oh, never mind. We're buying off of it. Same area of support we bought off from before. Another bearish engulfing, potentially getting violated here. Got 8 seconds left in this candle. That was not bad. Welcome to consolidation, family. We're in a tight 50-point range here. Putting in a lot of nothing. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. We are starting to buy back up here. This level here around the low 800s, mid to high 800s is holding strong buyers. I think it's far off away from like flipping and going bullish. I just think that it's going to be more hesitant to really like go down. It's like I don't really see us buying up. We could, but we'd have to get all the way back. I mean, that's not that far. If we did, it would be in a couple of hours. It wouldn't be any time, right? It wouldn't be right now. Your best bet is to continue to look for a sale. If it closes above 850 and then closes back below 850, that would be a nice move. If you got the one still, the one is weak right now. Or it just dumps and closes below 800, but it's just giving buy vibes off the bottom right here. This goes higher high. If we can actually break this area, then we can be looking at sales off of 800. We need 915 to flip. Yes, basically the high of the day. Yeah, closing above there on the 5 minute. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, for a pullback perspective, I like above 850. Right, I like above 850, closing back below, boom, because you also may get a change of character, a bullish to bearish structure. So obviously, you know, to get up here, we have to go bullish, which is what we're doing right now. We're continuing to put in until we take out some of these lows down here. We're in a consolidation bullish structure right now. So until we really get out of this consolidation, it can go up or it can go down. So, but we're putting in higher highs and higher lows up until this point, where now we're just in between this high and this low. So if it takes this low, it could go. If it takes this high, then it could buy. Didn't really mean to rhyme there, but and then what I would be looking for would be it to come up here, close above 850, dance around, blah blah blah, then drop below 850, shift that structure, enter in at 850, and then fall to 750. So those are the alternatives from a sales side. Buys, I don't know. I mean, it could, but at least this could happen in the next hour, right? For those of you guys that trade, either one of these can happen in the next hour. Buying up, that's going to be hours later if it does do that. So those of you guys that trade till 1 p.m. Eastern, you know, that could be a play here or here. For me, I'm done. I'm done. Unless in the next 14 minutes it goes down. That's the quickest play for me, would be a close below 800. Coming up here is going to take too long for me. Or you could take your BE for the day and go home. Yes, you could do that. Well, some people may only be down 15 points. Just depends on how you played that entry. You could be either down 15 or you could be at break even if you closed out at the 25 point mark when I suggested it. Last time we were at a all-time highs area, we consolidate for a while before making the next big push. Yeah. Yeah, we're consolidating right now. Initial push, a halt at 800, a pullback to set 850, and now we're just squeezed. We're just squeezed. We're just squeezed. So we're moving up. It doesn't look like 800 is going to come for me either. Just in case, I'm going to set an alert. I'm about to go upstairs and make a protein shake. See you on Wednesday, Ken. Happy Canada Day. Happy Canada Day to you too, George. Happy Canada Day. Safe travels, Christine. To Mexico. Oh, shake. Oh, okay. You're about to make a shake. Oh, okay. God. Like, I didn't think you were from Canada. Oh, gosh. All right, y'all. I will see you guys tomorrow. We're continuing our slow pace of New York session, so speed up. Starting July 1st. Tomorrow is July 1st. I'll see you guys. See you guys in July. Have a great day. Peace out for now.